Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desirae Alexandra and welcome. So as you can tell, we got a whole little mess going on back there. I was in the middle of getting ready and I was like, you know what, like why am I not vlogging this? Because I was like YouTubing, oh I got a message. I was like YouTubing other people's birthdays on how to do this birthday photo shoot, but as if you can't tell by the title, I am doing a birthday photo shoot for my 25th birthday. Don't mind my hair, I'm in the middle of getting ready, so I'm going for this like curly look. So this is my setup with the lights. I just wanted to quickly show you guys and tell you guys where I bought these things because this was something I was searching on YouTube as well, so I'm sure it might be helpful for some of you. So let's show you guys. Okay, so here's the setup right now. This is actually my first shoot. I just noticed the happy's too far this way. I'm gonna have to move that. But this is the first look I'm going for. It's gonna be on my bed, and the balloons, all these balloons I got off Amazon. They're kind of like all over the place. And then I have my lights going on, my filming lights. So this is where I'm gonna have my shoot right here. And yeah, let me just have you guys get ready with me. So okay, so as much as I want to make this video a life update, I'm not gonna make it a life update because there's so much that has been going on in my life. But I will save that for another video. In the meantime, this is just strictly like my photo shoot. So I am turning 25, halfway to 50. I've always dreamt of my 25th birthday to be something big, something crazy, just because it's halfway to 50 and it's kind of a big deal for me, you know. And unfortunately, due to quarantine, that did not happen. Sorry, not due to quarantine, due to COVID, that could not happen. So yeah, I'm famous. Why is everybody blowing up my phone? Okay, so yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing for my 25th birthday. I don't really have plans, so I thought, you know, what better way than, you know, do something I like to do, which take photos. Oh, I hate that my face doesn't match my skin. I can never like match my foundation because sometimes, I don't know, like sometimes I'm light and sometimes I'm darker. It just depends on the day, and I don't know if that's normal. Like, has that ever happened to anybody? Like, some days it matches and some days it doesn't. But yeah, I'm just doing my hair here. And this is my glam look. Lashes are from Beauty Creations. I probably should have recorded myself doing my makeup because my page is about makeup. But yeah. So that's basically all I'm doing today, is just having a birthday shoot. I think the favorite part of my shoot are my outfits. It's a little showy, but in the photos I'm not really going to show much. I'm just going to show like a little tease, you know, here and there. But all my outfits are from Fashion Nova. Now right now I'm going to pop some champagne for my shoot. So I need to find it. Hopefully you guys don't see booty. Oh, we got a champagne. Is that champagne?
Let me see.
That's sparkling water. Where is the champagne? What about this? Pink Moscato?
That's wine.
Where's the champagne? Oh, wait.
You have some?
I don't think so. I'll just put tequila.
Do the pink one. Or that one.
Sparkling water?
Sparkling wine.
I'm 25 years old and drinking apple cider. Or what is it?
Oh yeah, it's apple cranberry. Apple cider.
Oh my gosh. No wonder she wanted it. Okay. What? I know you like what you see. I really don't have champagne. What is it? I'm 25 years old and I'm not having champagne. I didn't even think about getting champagne. Oh, open this.
Can you get a bottle opener?
A bottle opener? Color. It exploded, for those of you that didn't hear it. Damn, it's gonna be 4. I need to get the shoot now before the sun goes down. All right, pour me up some. What's that? I don't have any champagne.
Huh?
That's what I'm so sad. There's no champagne.
Don't hold it like that. Half.
And it's pink, just like my shoe. No, this looks like cranberry.
I threw the little one.
I think I'm gonna pour water in it. I guess we'll do this. I just poured a bunch of water. Yeah, I just poured a bunch of water in there. All right, let's go. Okay, we are ready. I'm vlogging at the same time. How do I fix the 25 or just leave it like that? My sister's gonna be taking my photos. She's like the one behind all the camera. So we're gonna bump some music and I'll just fast forward all this. So this is gonna be our second setup here. It's just gonna be the 25 with a bunch of balloons, and I'll stand here. And I have a different outfit. Let me show you guys. It's actually really cute. Here are my shoes. Ooh, yes, fire. Okay, here it is. Put some light. Here it is. It's just like a glittery dress. But yeah, let's get on with the second shoot. I just finished the shoot. I took off my lashes, that's why I look funny, and the lighting's kind of bad. The sign stayed up there. I'm gonna just leave it there until my birthday because it's June and I celebrate all month long. And yeah, I'm done with this shoot. I look horrible. Oh my gosh. Here's a sneak peek of the pictures, but if you guys want like a full-on picture, follow me on Instagram. Here are the pictures, a little sneak peek. That's all I'm gonna give you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I just feel like it'd be helpful for other people who, you know, can't really celebrate their birthdays, but this is like a fun way to kind of share with everybody. God, these photos are so good. Okay, well, I haven't ate all day, so I can't wait to eat. Okay, so
Please fasten driver seat belt.
So I put on lashes just to be functional because without lashes I don't feel myself. I know I mentioned earlier I'm like starving, so I ordered pizza and Wingstop, which are my two favorite combinations. If you ever want to make me happy, just give me one of those and I'll be set for life. Also, I wanted to share with you guys this NYX Bear With Me. I ordered it because I thought it was a lip gloss, but it's actually a lip conditioner. But it looks like a lip gloss. It keeps my lips shiny and plump all day, and then once it like dries out, like your lips are really soft. And I reordered another one from Ulta because that's where I bought it, and I just realized that it says cannabis sativa seed oil. So there's actually cannabis in this, and which explains a lot because I know it's like good for a lot of things, and it really hydrates my lips. So I highly recommend this. I believe it's like $7.
They're so juicy.
Huh?
That's why they're so juicy.
That's why they're so juicy. Jay showed up to my shoot. He ended up taking over. Huh? He took over the shoot.
And the outfit too. It looked pretty well.
I give it to him. The first section of my shoot was, oh my god, it's so sunny. Was good. But you did a bad job on the second part. He already knows. But
that means we have to do it again.
No, it's too much work.
It is.
Honestly, photo shoots take up an entire day, and it's a lot of work. Like a lot of work. Hope you don't have a mess back there.
No, just blanket.
God, it's so bright. Okay, so yeah, my makeup's still on. That's good. And I'm starving. I don't know if I said that. For the third time, I'm starving. I have not ate all day. Nor yesterday. I had a salad yesterday. And that was it. Like actual food. Then I went to Krispy Kreme, but didn't eat any donuts. Because wasn't in the mood anymore. Oh, this lighting's better. Alright guys, so I really don't know how to end this vlog or if I should end it here. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat. No, my birthday's a whole different vlog. I will have a vlog on my birthday, that's for sure. I don't know what we're doing.
I do. You guys want
Jay has something up his sleeves, but I don't know.
Yeah, might need to.
Will I even be there?
Huh?
Will I even be there on my birthday?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see what my birthday holds. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just gonna eat right now. I don't think you guys care to see my pizza, my wings. If you guys do, follow me on Snapchat or Instagram because that's where I post all that stuff.
By the time you post, it's gonna be gone.
I know. But for next time. Anyways, until next time, love you guys.